Lawless, and we are Designaholcs. On this channel, we teach DIY hacks, how to achieve high-end looks on a budget, and how to get the most money for your house when you sell through staging. On today's Designaholc DIY, we are going to teach you the simple, easy way how to take a chair cushion and really inexpensive material and get a high-end look on a budget. Stay with us. You don't want to miss this. Started right now. We're going to show you how quick and easy this can be. This is my super secret way of getting a high-end look on a budget when you're trying to recover your chairs. So how fabulous is it that canvas drop cloth material for, I don't know, $14 from Home Depot, you get this giant 6 foot by 9 foot heavy duty canvas, which means it's going to cover really well, in my favorite, which is grayish. So Rondi is going to take the old cover off. Actually, this is the old cover. This is the next old cover. So we've got layers here. She's gonna take this off and show you how that's done to get us to this. And then we're going to, since these are factory staples and very difficult to remove, and there's like 10 million of them, we're not gonna take this one off. We're gonna show you how to go right on top of it. So Rondi, show them how it's done, ma'am.
All right, well, I'm sure that there is a professional tool that you use
We
to
don't
remove
care
staples,
about professional, no.
but this is my method. I took a paint can opener and I started popping them, and then I took a pair of their wire cutters, but very gently. I don't squeeze them too hard, just get a little grip on them and pull them out.
So Rondi, how expensive was that tool right here? That looks like really high tech.
This was actually free.
Oh, free. We love free. Talk about on a budget, right?
$3.99.
All right, so I think we've got the idea of how to get the staples out. Super simple. She's just going to keep doing that. She's already done all of these. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
And then, so Natalia and I are going to work on this. So we're going to open up this, again, heavy duty, because they sell different grades of drop cloth. Love this color, huh? Mm-hmm. Could this be a better combination of gray and beige?
For the chair.
We love grayish. So I think we could cover like, geez, a couple of dining sets out of this one $14 drop cloth. Talk about a deal. Feel how thick it is, huh?
Yes.
So thick. So in this case, this is textured fabric, and I was concerned about these stripes showing through. I don't think we're gonna have a problem though, because of the thickness of the drop cloth. So the first thing we're gonna do is turn this upside down. Now listen, everything I teach, I'm sure there's a way more professional way to do it. We're about saving time and money, so there you go. That's what you're gonna learn on this channel. Now we have to decide where we're gonna cut the fabric. And the way I do that, I just get a rough idea. I kind of pull it over, make sure I have at least enough to cover where the existing fabric was, and I kind of just pull it over, make a line, and then we cut from there. I'm cutting much more than what I need, just to make it more manageable. All right, we can push that over to the side. Great. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do, number one, this is not my favorite stapler. This is a Craftsman. It barely pushes the staples in, but I like this style of stapler where the handle goes toward the front. That's really important. But get the Powershot. The Powershot works. This, on the other hand, really does not. But it's what we have, so we're gonna use it. We're gonna take each side and pull it over, and we're gonna put one staple in each side. We're not gonna pull it crazy tight, but just tight enough to get the fabric on there. Hazards of working quickly. All right, after you get your 4 sides on, you're gonna work your corners. I'm gonna pull this front corner back on an angle. So here I am diagonally. I'm pulling tight here. I'm gonna put my first staple kind of close to the edge. Hazards everywhere. All right, I am going to cut a lot of this bulk off. And then when it comes to this corner, I'm gonna definitely cut a lot of this in a V. See that? That's gonna reduce the bulk considerably. I can probably even cut more off, but I tend to cut too much. So this gives me the ability to just crease little by little and pull it toward the corner. You might have to stick your finger underneath, maneuver the fabric a few times so that you don't see that crease. Thank you. All right. We're gonna work the other side. Little by little, see these tiny creases? That's what you want. Whoops. That's how tight I'm pulling though. My fingers can easily slip off. And now I'm gonna put a staple in between these two, in between the middle and the end. I am pulling that pretty tight. And then again, I'm gonna get my fingers underneath here, pull tight, staple again. The idea is you want your creases to be underneath, not on the sides. So we're definitely accomplishing that. I think it's pretty finished, and we're just gonna go ahead and do that all the way around. And that's basically it. Easy peasy, huh? All right, let's get started on all the rest of them. Okay, so we just ran out of staples. Let me show you how to go ahead and fill this, because sometimes it's not what you would think. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze this, pull out. The staples don't go on here. They go in this little crevice here. You're gonna take these, I use Arrow T50 staples. I'm gonna put them upside down in this little crevice here, and then I'm just gonna push this in. There you go, super easy. We are all done with this simple upholstery project. I mean, anybody can do this. It was so easy.
So easy, and it looks.
And Rhonda, you've never done this before, right?
Yeah.
And was it easier than what you thought?
Oh, much easier.
Yeah. Anybody can do this. It's so simple. Definitely give it a try. The best part is if you don't like what you did, rip the staples out, start again, and this fabric is so inexpensive. So we definitely did it on a budget. We hope you enjoyed it. And we would love it if you would also subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and if you would, please comment below, let us know what projects you're working on. We love to see pictures. We love to share in the Designaholcs community. Thanks so much for watching.